Hi everybody, it's David Lee of Vital Health. Just want to do a quick little video here to talk about what will increase your immune system, especially during this time where everyone is so scared about contracting this COVID-19. And what's really important is immune system. So I've been studying nutrition and herbalism. I've been a health practitioner for over 23 years. And I'm actually doing a research for my doctorate to be an integrative medicine doctor this year. And one of the things that I've discovered in my research, and there's even other doctors now are starting to discover this in double-blind studies, is the whole idea of phytochemicals. Phytochemicals in raw vegetables and fruit actually attack and affect even cancer and different diseases. So this is why I always get my clients and people and myself to always drink dark green smoothies and juices. So this is one of my recipes, which is a green smoothie. All right. Now, this is not made with bok choy. I just finished making it with organic spinach, one bunch of spinach with 4 cups of water in my blender, a small chunk of ginger, and 1 ripe avocado. Now, if the avocados are really big, you just use half. But it was a small one. You want to make sure it's ripe and soft, because that'll give it that creamy texture. And then I added 1 organic pear, core of course. So as you can see, when you blend it with the ripe avocado, it's very creamy looking, and it gives it a wonderful taste. So I just wanted to tell you, so those who want to know about how to do more foods that are like medicine, that are good for your body, get a hold of me at vitalhealthlife.com. Have an awesome day.